Alright, now it's time for us to put fractions in ascending and descending order. So I'm going to show you two options, and then you can pick which one you like best because you think it's easier. It's just your preference. I prefer option 1, but it is a little bit difficult, and option 2 is easier, but there's a little bit more steps involved. So the first thing, I'm going to label each one A, B, and C, just so I can keep up with which one is which. So I'm going to stack 1/5 times 1/3. I'm sorry, not times. And 1/3, and then 1/6. And I'm going to go crisscross 3, crisscross 5, just like when we did our comparing fractions to know which one's bigger. So if you're looking at those, you know that 1/3 is bigger than 1/5. So I just put it somewhere like that. It's not an exact science because we still have to put the 1/6 in the mix. So when we do that, now we'll just come over here and we have 1/3 and 1/6. Too close. We'll go crisscross 6, crisscross 3. And according to this, 1/3 is still bigger than 1/6. But I don't know if I need to put 1/6 here or if I need to put it here. So I have to compare 1/5 and 1/6. So I get 5 and I get 6. So this tells me that 1/6 is smaller, so it's going to be over here. And so you can just tell yourself you multiply A, or you not multiply, you compare A and B, then you compare B and C, and then A and C, and that will get you the placement. So this is ascending order, and if we were to do it in descending order, this is what we would have. So now let's go to option 2, which if you're struggling with fractions, option 2 is probably the better choice for you. So we multiply all the denominators together. So I know that it doesn't matter which order we multiply these in because nothing's in parentheses. We're just multiplying numbers, and we'll get the same thing no matter which way we do. So I'm going to do 6 times 5 because I know that's 30. And then I'm going to do 30 times 3, which is 90. So each of my numbers will now be 90 on the bottom. Now, the first number has this 5 in it. So I just need to multiply it by the 6 and the 3. And that's 18. And 18 times the 1 at the top is still 18. Now we're on this middle number. It has a 3, so we're multiplying it by 30. So 30 goes on the top. And then the last one is missing 15 because it has a 6, and we put 15. So I'm going to put a little A, a little B, and a little C to keep up with the same A, B, and C that I have there. So when I put them in order, the smallest is 15 over 90. Then 18 over 90, then 30 over 90. And so, now that we know that that's in ascending order, then I just match the letters. Well, 15 over 90 is C, which is 1/6. 18 over 90 is 1/5. And 30 over 90 is 1/3. And that's the exact same answer that we had up here, 1/6, 1/5, 1/3. It's just which way do you prefer to solve it. Practice on our practice videos to see if you have it.